Yeah, so you can share a screen.
Yeah, I'm just sharing now. Yeah. Okay. We will go through this, or I have to redraw it. What do you prefer?
Withdraw.
Okay, I will just close this and I will redraw from the same point.
There might be no need to withdraw.
I will go over this.
Yes, the option. Yes.
Okay.
So comment
Fine.
when the option change.
Oh, right. Okay. So here and all is fine. Here and all is fine. It's okay. This area is fine.
Impulsive moves to the top.
Okay. These are all the impulsive move, and here all the valid pullbacks. So correct. Okay. So now, so this is the area. This is the uptrend. Okay. So now this is the inducement. Is it correct? Inducement.
Yes.
Okay. So this is the correction. Now, so what I learned from here is that when this line, this line, this is the lower, this is the higher low. Okay, so this has to cross basically. Then only we will get the change of character. Okay, but what I saw that it didn't come back. The trend is continuing because here this correction, after this correction, again the continuation starts like this. It's going. So here this is a boss. This is a breakout structure.
Yes.
Okay, this breakout structure is correct. Okay, so again the valid pullbacks they connect is then again another inducement here because there is a correction. Okay,
Yes.
again it is going. Again it is going. So there should be a possible change of character here, but again it is going up. Okay, it's going up. It's going up. So now continuation. This is a continuation movement. So it's going like this. It's going, and here it's just going again up. Okay, well, okay. This is the area. This is the area. Actually, I already mentioned here. Actually, I have a doubt, but I wanted to discuss with you here. This is my doubt. In fact, I just put it here. Doubt. Okay. So here, what I feel that, for example, okay, let me change the color. So this is an inducement, and sorry, this is an inducement. Then the correction here. Okay, so the correction. If the correction is here, the correction is here. Okay, so here, then this is the next one, and so is it correct now? Right now, what I did?
As you said, you had doubts. The exact
Is this change of character is correct?
Yeah. Did you move away from the uptrend? Yeah, from this place.
Correct, no? The same, right? Because here, this is the
Where's the
end
last
of the,
high? I
this
mean,
is the high.
higher low from the uptrend part.
Okay, from the uptrend, this is the end point of the uptrend. You see here the inducement.
Okay, can you write
Sorry.
higher low, higher high there? Let's see.
Okay, right. So is it correct?
Okay, I think that is where the challenge is.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, we'll go over that.
Because here, what I expected actually, maybe it will come like this. From here, it will go something like this, like this, like this. Then again, it will come back like this. This is what I thought maybe, because when we, yeah, but this is straight away it's coming down.
Yeah, from
It is,
the higher high and the higher low, the position, it's not accurate.
I see. So now you see,
Yes. So this is what you're going
this,
to check, check, check. Go back to the beginning of the impulse.
okay.
So,
I will redraw it.
so it's going like this. I just wanted to note, where did the first impulse, the impulsive move, where did it end?
Okay. So the first impulse ending here.
Great. So that is your higher.
Yeah.
So where's the end of the correction?
Higher high. Then the correction is coming. This is the correction end.
That is your higher low.
This is the higher low. This is the correction end.
So you can write higher low there. So then there's another impulse.
Yeah. The continuation. I marked here continuation like this.
Where end?
So yeah, this continuation it's ending. This continuation is ending here actually, because here there is a correction, another correction.
Where it ended, that's your higher high.
This one, this point. Wait.
The end of the impulse.
End of the impulse normally, the point of I mean the point where the correction starting is the end of the impulse. Correct? No.
Yeah.
This is the one. Because this is the point, this is the inducement, last valid pullback, and here this is crossing inducement. So this is called correction. So I consider this is the higher high and this is the higher low.
And it continues like that.
Exactly. So it continues again here, going.
So impulse.
Yeah, this is all the continuation. So obviously the continuation is going from here. So it's going. Yeah. the next is coming up to here, because here, no, yeah, wait, this is not correct. This is the point. Because here I have the confusion.
Okay, what's the confusion?
This higher high is the correct, what I mentioned?
That's the end of the impulse, right?
That's the end of the impulse.
Correct.
Okay. Okay. So that's the end of the impulse. So which means then the trend is changing actually here.
Okay, so how do you know the trend is changing?
I can only confirm the trend change after here, from here, because the change of character, it came back, it throws this higher low, which is the change of character. Again, it
Higher
should,
low. This
yeah.
where you put your higher low. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
This point where you put higher low, it is not confirmed higher low, because for higher low to be confirmed, we want to see the end of the correction.
Okay. So, okay. So which means this is not the end of the correction, correct? This is not the end of the correction because it is continuing.
Before we even know that a correction has ended, we have to see a breakup structure to the top.
Okay. So the breakup structure, because here I have confusion actually, because this change of character is not correct, right?
So you check the previous higher low.
Okay. The previous higher low, this is the one.
Draw the
Now,
line. So you extend that line.
yeah, it came up to here.
Yeah, so that is where the change of character line will be. Are you extending the line?
The change of character line is this one. Is the same.
Yeah.
So how we consider this is the change of character, because this is the higher low, and again it is going up, because here there is a correction, and after the correction normally we are counting as at the new impulse starting, the continuation is starting. So which means this is going again from here. So now the new all the new valid pullbacks creating, and it's going up. So
Yes.
here the new inducement coming, because this is crossing here. So in this scenario, this higher low is still valid for a change of character.
Yes, it's still valid. So this higher low you put at the end here is not accurate, so you remove it.
So this one is not valid, you mean? So which means this also not correct. This change of character also not correct.
Correct.
So so which means this correction is still continuing, correct? No, this correction is still continuing.
So Now, this is how you see a change of trend when a correction breaks inducement and still goes further to break the higher low.
Okay.
It's no more correction now. This is
I see. So
indication that the trend might change.
so this correction is not correct. There is no more inducement here, no more correction, correct?
Yeah, we have an impulsive move that broke
Okay. So
the
we have an
inducement
impulsive
and also
move
broke
that
the higher
broke
low.
the
So
higher low. Okay.
the next thing we're going to look for there is break of structure to the downside to confirm the change
That
of.
is this one. That is this one. Yes, it is confirmed.
So
It is
meaning,
confirmed.
so the downtrend now continues. So what we
Yeah.
to lower.
Okay. So now normally we give the higher, the lower low and lower high from this point, or from, because only the confusion is from the starting point of the trend where the change of character is coming. Only that area is confusing me. So now we already know that the trend is changed. Okay, so in this scenario, the trend is changed means, can't we say because yes, the correction. Yeah. This lower low, lower high.
No, the next high, not that one. That's inducement.
Yeah. Here this is the inducement.
So the end of the correction, that's where the lower high will be.
End of the okay. The end of the correction is here.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. For the end of the correction is the lower high. Yes. Yeah, that is true. Because yeah.
The lower eye behind, check the one behind by your left. If you go back a little, there's a lower
Okay.
eye. This move that created this break of structure, there was an inducement here.
Here this is not an this is an inducement, you mean. This one is an inducement, like, correct?
Yeah. So that move that went up, now that's correction.
Okay.
So and that's the end of the correction. You have your lower eye.
So this I will remove.
Exactly.
So the higher high is ending here. That is the end of these symbols. And uh, after that, this correction is correct. This inducement and this correction is correct.
It's no longer correction because the move is an impulsive move that broke the
Okay.
lower.
Now for example, there is there is no candles formed from here. Uh, let's say let's say the candles are only up to here.
Okay.
Okay. So imagine this is a fresh chart and there is nothing formed here. So in that case, we can consider this an inducement.
Yeah, it's an inducement and it has been corrected. So
Correction. Okay. Until it breaks this the change, until it forms a change of character, and until it crosses the breakout structure, we can consider this is a uh, correction, right?
yes.
Okay.
And that is why we always need to wait for breakup structure to happen before we conclude, before we know the
Okay. 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 Right. So now, fine. Okay. So if that is the case, we reached up to here. We reached up to here. Now, here I have one confusion. Okay, here I have one confusion. So we counted up to here. Now, from here again, normally we say after the correction, the continuation will start. But in this case, it is going like a sideways to this area up to
okay.
here. Okay, so it's going like a continuation. So I should consider from here to here, like which trend? It's is in an uptrend or it's in a downtrend, because after that I've counted. Now, for example, let me close this. Let's see. Okay. So now I know we are in this stage. Okay. So I just put a line here. Okay, and there is no candles formed from this place. Let us imagine. So I'm just drawing now, because this is the end of the correction. From here again, the impulsive move will start. In that case, this is a valid pullback. This is the next one. Is it an uptrend? Can we consider this an uptrend? This is my question.
The way you know the trend is by looking at the structure. As you can see, you have lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. That's downtrend.
Yeah, lower low, lower high. From here, this is ending.
So that's a downtrend.
Okay, so here is the downtrend. So
We have
yeah.
So you can see we have a break above the lower high, which is a COC.
Correct. Broke this place, and there is a, so this can be a change of character. Is it so?
Yes.
Okay. So it is a change of character, and but however, there is no, this is only indication, and here also not confirmed, because this boss, it is the body is still inside the breakup structure. It is not yet confirmed. That's why it went down. The trend is continuing. Can we say that?
Exactly. So that is more like a fake out.
Okay. 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 So here there is no confusion in that case. Let me see what is this note I mentioned here after correction. Is the structure is correct because the COC is coming above the internal structure. Okay. Yeah, it's clear now. Is this continuation? I can see it is going up. If the short trend is continuing, if it is a live market, I can identify this will continue or not. Okay. Okay. So if it's, for example, if this is a live market, we have to wait. Correct? No, we have to wait where is the direction is going, because now this is a back testing.
This is a live market. So we have
Okay.
to, there's an observation of this break of structure Was there an inducement before the break of structure happened?
Before the break of structure, there is an inducement here. Yes, there is. Wait. Wait. Sorry. No, because that one. Here I can see. That one. It is this one. This is the point.
No, there was a valid pullback. There was a valid pullback there. Or are they the same equal high?
This is the close. The low is 5388.
Yes. This,
See, it is same. It is same. So in that case,
no, there's a valid pullback here. This place, yes, there's a valid pullback here.
the valid pullback is. You mean this one?
And the next high, there's another valid pullback here.
This one?
Yes, there's a valid pullback there.
This is same, Mr. Kevin. See, now if I see the candle here, the
Yeah,
low is.
yes, this red candle now, if you check the previous candle, it is lower than the previous candle. The candle to the left.
Yeah, lower than the previous candle.
So that's
You
a
mean here?
that's
Okay.
because that candle to the left is higher than the candle to the left of it. Yes.
Because why I didn't consider this? Probably this wick is higher than this. That's why I thought maybe this is not a valid one. Yeah.
Yes. There's another pullback there to the down.
Yeah. This is,
Yes.
I think, this is the point. From here, this is the point. Let me see. Yeah. Now I can say here is the inducement. Here.
No, that's in the front. We are talking about this impulsive move that caused the COC.
Okay. Here there is no inducement. In this area there is no inducement. Look.
Yes.
Agree? Okay. And here also no inducement because it doesn't cross. This also, yeah, here there is an inducement here.
No, we are going to the top. We are going up. Okay. Now check this COC, this move that causes COC, the change of character. Yeah, there's no BOS because There will be no BOS because he did not take out inducement before making that move.
So we cannot consider this is a BOS.
Yes, because it is still part of this COC move.
I see.
For that
This is
second,
still okay.
yeah, you know, we need to have inducement taken out before the break of structure. So, but in this
Okay.
inducement taken out before another break of structure to the upside.
Okay. So here there will be two change of character. It can come like that. One is here, one is here. It can come like that.
One, because it is one impulsive move.
Oh, I see. This all one, only one. This is a part of this change of character, you mean?
Part of the impulsive move because there's no
Uh-huh.
inducement on that move from the down to the top. All are just valid pullbacks.
Okay. So now, in this case, how we will draw the change of character? This draw is the correct one, or this draw is the correct one?
Correct.
This one,
First one,
the
the
first
one
one.
correct.
Okay. So should we delete this one?
Yes.
I see.
So because it's
Oh.
one single impulsive.
Okay, because there is no inducement happened here. That's why we consider this is a part of that change of character.
Yes.
Change of character is nothing but it's a correction only, right? It's a correction only, but it should happen on the same in the correct place.
Yes, like it's one single move.
One single move. Okay.
You can see there's no inducement taken out on that move.
Okay. Right.
So
Okay.
so if you check now, that is correct. There's no break of structure to the upside. So this is what I was explaining, that sometimes the market can do as if the trend wants to change, and then
Mm-hmm.
in the trend it was coming from.
Okay. Here actually there is no trend change because
Yeah,
it is still continuing only because see from here from up to here there's a trend. After that is all continuing the same trend only. Look correct, no?
yes. So the COC is just, we said it's an indication that there might be trend change, but it's the BOS that's going to confirm it.
Okay.
And there's no
Yeah,
BOS.
okay. There's no BOS. Correct. There is no BOS because it is still continuing only. I thought this is a BOS here. Okay. So it is continuing now. Let's come to the next area. For example, yeah, it is coming. We're going like this. Then here there is an inducement. Look.
Yeah.
Okay. So I consider this is the overlap and
Oh, okay, fine.
yeah.
The low, did you hear what I just said?
Sorry.
Yes, we must have break of structure to the downside before you confirm the lower high,
Okay.
because you don't know how far the correction is going to go.
Okay. How far the correction point is going, we don't know. So we cannot consider this is the lower high. Let's wait and see.
Good.
Yeah.
So it's now because the lower low has been broken to the downside.
Yeah. So I will just put a line. So this is okay. So we cannot say this is a change of character, right?
Break of structure that
Break
is
of structure only.
Good. So the point.
Police did not call. They said, this is not police. Not police.
No, no, no. Keep it.
Let Jimmy call.
Yeah, yeah.
Jimmy.
Yeah. So, so this is the this is the highest point actually. So this is the end of the correction.
So that will be the lower high.
Yeah. Suppose if there is no BOS here, probably the lower high will be somewhere here, something like this. Maybe if this is not happening, correct? No.
And without the BOS, there's no lower high.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Before
So I identified up here something just marked. Okay. I just marked here. Now, for example, if there was a change of character happen, means it can be like this. From here, I just put a line, for example. If the trend change is happening, means this will be a possible change of character, correct? It can go like this.
So if we now see change of character, then
Yeah.
BO, that is change of trend.
Okay. Yeah. So it is all going like this, like this. Yeah. Fine. Okay. So I will do more rework and I can fine tune it.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So
Your
let me,
audio is breaking, Kevin.
can you hear me?
Yes. Better now.
Okay.
Hmm.
Let me make it easier. So the first thing you see is the impulse. Followed by
Yeah.
number two, followed by inducement.
Okay.
Then next will be correction. And the next is continuation.
Yeah.
So, okay, let me make it like this.
Yeah.
Once you see the correction,
Mm-hmm.
That is where you put the higher high or
Okay.
lower low, depending on
Okay. Or vice versa.
yes, depending on the trend.
Okay.
Correction first before confirmed. So then the next thing you see is the continuation.
Okay.
Continuation is confirmed, is a form breakup structure.
Okay.
So immediately you see the breakup structure, that will now confirm the higher low
Okay.
or lower high, depending on the trend.
Right. So without breakup structure, it cannot confirm, correct?
So this is how we follow the. So once you understand, there will be no confusion. So
Okay.
the first thing is the input.
Yeah. This is the first step. Okay.
So this number one is
All
impulse.
right. Okay.
Let me do this again. So this is the impulse.
Okay.
So number two is
Mhm.
inducement
Yeah.
and the impulse, right? Is that correct?
Okay. Correct.
That
Yes.
inducement.
Yes.
Can you still see my screen?
Yeah, I can see. I can see.
So number three is
Yeah.
correction. So once we have any move, so that's the correction.
That's correction. Correct. Number three. Mhm.
So once we see number three, the next thing is higher high or higher low. So this is uptrend. So it is
Yeah.
the high. So higher high
Yeah.
is right here. So put the higher high,
Okay.
and that's number four.
Yeah.
And number five is continuation.
Yes.
So that's the move that comes from the end of the correction.
So that's
And
a higher low. Also number four.
yes, if it is downtrend.
No, in this scenario also. In this scenario also, this end of the correction we can consider as higher
Okay, no,
low.
higher low is number seven.
Okay. Okay.
Higher low is
Okay.
number
Okay. 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 Oh, this is only higher high or the lower low. Okay. 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 In the both cases. Okay. 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 Fine. Thanks. Yeah.
changing it like this so that because it follows step by step. So we have to see number
Right.
five.
Okay.
We have to see number six, break of structure, before we can now say this.
Okay.
So this move I'm drawing now, this is continuation.
Correct.
So this is number five.
Correct.
Now we can now see number six, which is
Exactly. Yeah, that's a break of structure.
line that will be here. So that's the break
Yes.
of.
Correct.
this inducement.
Yeah.
Okay. And then that's number 6.
Yes. Break of structure.
Now 7, which is the higher low.
Okay.
So that is how it works. So this is how we follow them step by step by step. If
This
we
is
did
interesting. Yeah.
number 1 before number 2, which is inducement, we have to see number 2 before we confirm
Okay.
this correction. After
Okay.
we now have number 4, which is the
All
higher
right.
high.
Okay.
Then number 4, we have to see number 5
Okay.
is the continuation.
Correct.
Then once we see the continuation, we will see the break of structure.
Yeah.
Then once we see number 6, then we can now
Then
label.
this exactly.
So
Okay.
this so and if it is downtrend, the same thing.
Okay.
Impulse, number 1.
Yes. Yeah.
2, the correction, number 3.
Yes.
Then we can now label here. This place now instead of higher high, the lower low.
Yeah. Yeah. Correct. Because in this scenario, yeah, it should be. No.
So number 5.
Yeah.
Number 5, this is the continuation. That's number 5.
Yes.
So then break of structure, number 6. Then number 7, that's where we label this lower high.
Yeah.
So it's clearer, right?
Yes, it's clear now.
So once you have that number at the back of your mind, it will be easy to.
Yeah. So any number order for the change of character in this, or no, that is not coming in this order?
Question. So let me go back to. So now change of character will happen when this. Let me change this back to. Okay, let's start with. So we have. I don't know. Is this still clear now, or should?
Yeah, it's clear. The numbers you can just little bit align. That's it. The numbers little bit align. So the 1,
The number.
2, 3, 4, 5. I think it's okay. It's okay. Fine.
So for change of character to happen now, it means
Yeah.
since this is a downtrend, means we
Yeah.
must have a move like this that will break this place. So we have that will break higher than this point.
Yes.
So this must happen. So that will be 8. So this move now is another impulsive move. It's like number 1.
Okay.
You know, this is number 1 for downtrend. The first impulsive
Yeah.
move
Correct.
and the continuation. So another
Okay.
start going up.
Okay. Yeah, that's true.
Number 1 for the first impulsive move to the upside.
Yeah, the cycle is starting again from there actually. So there is no number 8 actually. It is again starting from like number 1. So the only thing that the names are changing in that case, like change of character, this kind of things.
Or we can put number 8
Mm-hmm.
because in some cases we can have downtrend continue like 3 times before you now see correction and this kind of reversal.
Mm-hmm.
So we can consider this as number 1 for the new uptrend.
Correct. I think that will be better. Yeah. I think that will be better. Number 1. Again.
And we're going to have this place now will now be the COC
Yeah.
character, right?
Yes.
So this change of character now, we can call it number 8.
Okay.
But the next move is going to be a move that take this inducement,
Yes.
correction, and then break above this place for us to have the break of structure.
Yeah.
So this is the BOS.
Yeah.
So if you look at this side now, this is number 1 for the new up
Yes.
1 correction.
Okay.
Number 1
Yeah. Yeah.
inducement here, which
Yeah.
is then this
Break of structure. Sorry, I mean correction.
so that's 3.
Yeah.
Then we will now look higher high, which is 4.
Yeah. Yeah.
Then this continuation move, that's 5.
Yeah.
This break of structure again, that's 6.
Yeah.
Followed by a higher low, which is 7.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
so the only difference now is this COC. So we can call
Yeah.
it,
Only the COC line can be number 8, but the structure is repeating.
so let me add it here. It's number
Yeah.
8. Okay. So I think if you watch this video over, it will be clearer.
It's clear actually. It's clear. Very good. Yeah, it's clear. The step by step, because basically I'm a theory man. Basically, if the step by step process, no, it's nice.
So once you remember these numbers, everything will.
Yeah.
Okay, so I don't know if you were able to watch the videos I sent the last time.
The last video I didn't watch. The last video.
So I said I updated the list.
The last video, the change of character with something. 1 second, let me check.
Change of character with points of interest.
Yeah, the change of character with point of interest. I didn't understand actually what is that word meaning here. Without point of interest, with the point of interest, I didn't understand the word meaning.
So it's actually what I was hoping we would talk about today.
Mm-hmm.
So the change of character without point of interest, that's what we've learned here. This sales,
Okay.
yeah, that's the one with
Mm-hmm.
of interest.
Okay.
So the last video is the
Mm-hmm.
change points of interest. So I don't know if we should talk about it or I should allow you to practice this one now. This one before the next lesson, next class.
Yeah, this I will practice because I will do more practice. It's clear for me actually. So when we do the real chart, definitely some clarification will come automatically, you know.
Okay. Okay, maybe that's what we should do now. Maybe we should can check the quick chart.
Yeah.
Let me see.
Oh, really? You pick one? Why? You have to take no delivery shop. I told all this. This pick the call. But there is a date written there, Rajumaya.
Looking for where we have so that
Okay.
there was
This room?
okay.
Yeah.
So we had from here. So we had a downtrend.
Yeah, correct.
Inducement here.
Yes.
All right, so we had an impulsive move here to here.
Yes,
Movement right here. So
correct.
meaning this is the end of the impulse.
Yeah.
So the first impulsive move to this place, that's 1.
Okay.
Then number 3 is the correction. Can you see this
Yes.
correction?
Yeah, I can see.
Number 4 now is the lower low. I'll label this place lower
Yeah.
low.
Yes.
Then number 5 is the continuation. You can see we have
Yeah.
another
Correct.
stop here. So the continuation now create
Mm-hmm.
structure number 5.
Yeah, correct.
Lower eye.
Yes.
Then number 7
Yeah.
we say is number.
Mm-hmm.
I'm trying to remember what we said is number 7.
Right.
Okay.
Well, number 7 is the in this case higher high, higher low. Sorry, lower high.
Eye. Okay,
Yeah.
we've identified number 6. That's continuation and breakout structure. Okay.
Yeah.
So following those numbers will just make the whole thing clearer.
Yeah. It's like a checklist, we can say. It's a good one.
So now we have another impulsive move to this downside.
Mm-hmm. Again, starting from 1. Yeah.
From 1, inducements 2,
Correct.
then correction is 3.
Exactly.
And the next one is number 4, which is the lower low that has been confirmed.
Yeah. So once the breakup structure confirmed, you say, yeah, that is already confirmed.
So continuation is number 5. Then the breakup structure is number 6.
Yes.
Then number 7 is the lower high.
Lower high.
So is it clear up to this point?
Yes, it's clear.
Now we can now see what happened next. We now had an impulsive move that broke the lower high.
Yes, exactly. Impulsive move broke the lower high.
Okay, the correction. Another impulsive move. That's
Yeah.
okay. Let me just label what we have. So immediately we have this break.
Yeah.
This is our COC.
Exactly.
Yeah. So Immediately we have the COC. So it means this is an indication that the trend may change.
May change.
Yeah, that's an indication or a signal.
Yeah. Correct.
So we want to see break of structure and candle close above the break of structure. So, and if you look,
Yeah.
so this move took out this place,
Yeah.
which is inducement.
Yeah.
So with this happening now, this is break of structure confirmed.
That's confirmed the break of structure.
So in the example you did today
Uh-huh.
of structure, if you remember this move, there was no inducement.
Yeah.
This
Correct.
move inducement. So that was why we said it is
So
not.
inducement is always not necessary in that case, correct? No, even after the change of character happened, is it all the cases that that inducement can happen?
We must see for this break of structure to happen.
Okay.
See that price
Okay.
inducement and continue up.
Yeah. But in this first break of structure, if you see closely, can we say it is a confirmation because that candle body, yeah, this much is
That,
enough. This
yeah,
much is enough to confirm.
that's a very good question. Now, if
Yeah.
candle was just a week, let's say this week was continued up here.
Yeah.
So you can see the week broke above the COC.
Okay.
It is just, but the next candle after it closed
Hmm.
above.
So the body closing the above, we can either above or below. I mean, so we can confirm it.
Yes, it has to be above. This is uptrend.
Okay.
So this actually created a break of structure
Mhm.
close above this line
Correct.
to consider it as break of structure until we see a candle that close above it.
Okay.
Yes. So it's because we are doing this after it has happened. That's why we can see that the candle close above. Otherwise, we will have to wait to see this candle if it
Mhm.
move
So
this.
if we see such a candle like this one confirmation, is it immediately possible that we can give an entry or again we have to wait?
Question. That's another. So we have to wait because there's something else we have to see.
Mhm.
So, but we know that it has confirmed that the trend has changed.
Mhm.
So, but we have to wait before we take a long position.
Right, right, right.
So we're going to talk about what we're going to see before we take a long position. So
Okay.
we know how to confirm that trend has changed.
Right. Let's say in this scenario, the accuracy rate of the trend change through this structure, is it 100% or something like 95%?
Okay, that's another great question.
Mm.
Now, the fact that trend has changed from down to up does not mean that change back from up to
Mhm.
few minutes.
Okay.
So trend can change now and the next
Mhm.
one trend.
Yeah.
That's because the trend has changed from down to up, that it will continue going up, 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 and maybe after some days or hours, that's when no, trend can change back and
I see. I see.
So, and especially if we are trading on lower time frames, like 1 minute, 5 minutes time frame.
Mm-hmm.
1 minute time frame, because sometimes I trade on 1 minute time frame. On 1 minute time frame, trend can change to up, and even before you trade it, it's already down again.
Yeah, correct. Yeah, because the small time frames trend. I mean, many trends can be one single trend in the upper. I mean, the higher time frame. Yeah.
If it's higher time frame, it can take before it change back.
Okay.
So it's a good question you ask. So
Yeah.
now you can see that after we confirm break of structure, that
Mm-hmm.
down to up, the price keeps going up.
Correct.
So it kept going up, then it came back. So that is basically what we want to see. We want to see uptrend change from downtrend to uptrend. So if we want to label
Okay.
this move that caused the break of structure,
Mm-hmm.
cause the character. So that's the new one.
Mm-hmm.
One. Then the inducement is 2.
Correct.
Correction.
Yeah.
And this point now, which is now a higher high.
Yeah.
That then this continuation to the upside. That's 5.
Yeah.
Break of structure. That's 6. Then this point now higher low.
Correct.
So and it continues like that.
Yeah, it will continue. Can we just finish the top also, the end point also? Just one more, the trend change. We can just go through. I mean, continuation of this. There's another one trend is changing just immediately after this.
Okay. You want us to talk about it, right?
Yeah. We'll just complete till that point, till the other point.
So now this is the continuation.
Yeah.
So it, okay, I think
Mm-hmm.
back. Okay, so we had an inducement here,
Yes, there is an inducement.
correction,
Yes,
continuation.
correction.
So this is higher high.
Yeah.
Um,
Because I will use this like a guide, no? So if any doubt, I can just go through again the video.
So import
Exactly. Yeah.
higher high 4, continuation 5
Correct.
of structure 6,
Yeah.
hello.
Then confirm to the higher low.
So from this higher low, we have another impulse. Now in this case, there was an impulse that broke above this. Now
Yes.
the higher low
Mm-hmm.
broken, so it was like COC.
Yes, correct. Yeah, there's a COC there.
Okay, this is what we're talking about now. COC.
Right.
So then after COC, we'll look for break of structure to the downside.
Correct. Nothing wrong because it is only a COC. There is no further break of structure happened there.
There is actually, because if you check,
Let me. Yeah, correct. In this case, and also the candle body also ending, no, there. So the trend is not changing.
yeah, we had something like this.
Mm-hmm.
So it's like it's going to change. There was,
Right.
and it went like this.
Yeah.
As wants to form the break of structure.
Yeah.
That COC, we'll be waiting for a break of structure to happen.
Correct.
So look at what happened there. There was COC. This move broke the
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
and the move was an impulsive move that has inducement.
Yes.
Yeah. So we now had this correction that took out this inducement, and then this
Yeah.
move was to form the break of structure. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Now, the break of structure, let's check. Did it close below?
Not the first candle. However, the third candle,
Okay.
the fourth, yeah, we can say the fourth candle, the green one. That is, sorry, the third candle, I mean, the red one, the third candle, that is closed.
Okay. Okay. Now these candles, these ones, did
Hmm.
not below this. It has to close below this the wick of this candle.
Yeah, that is below the wick only.
So they are behind this wick. So they do
I
not
see.
close below the wick for us to
Oh,
consider.
so we have to consider that as well.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, so they have to go like this.
I see.
It's good that we even consider this so that I'm able to explain this.
Okay. Okay.
So
The point is very minute. At the same time, it's very important.
so the candle, as
Mhm.
long as during this week now, this candle
Yeah.
now form the break of
Mhm.
structure. So but the week
Okay. Mhm.
got to this point.
Correct. Yeah. So we have to consider the week. If
So we
yeah,
must
if
make
that. Hmm.
break below and close.
Hmm. Hmm. I
Otherwise,
see.
that is in control.
I see.
So until we see a close below, that's when we say the break of structure.
Okay. So in this kind of scenarios, we can give a limit order, no? Like if the candle is closing to this area, let the order execute. Like that, we can plan and give an entry, no?
We've actually not started talking about entry.
Okay. Okay.
Things don't get mixed up.
Fine. 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 I think we are going through the track, the order. So I think let's go through the order only.
In this scenario, this
Mhm.
this candle actually closed below this. So the break of,
Okay.
but like
Okay.
trend can change
Correct. Okay.
and then change again immediately.
Yeah.
Time frame is actually
Oh,
the, I don't know if you can see.
right. Right.
We are actually on 1 minute time frame. So you can see
Okay. Yeah.
just talked about now that a trend can change now and then reverse.
Mm-hmm.
And that is what happened there. So the COC was confirmed, the break of
Mm-hmm.
so confirmed because
Okay.
it closed below. If you look at
Yeah.
close below, so the change of trend was
Correct.
for the market reversed immediately.
Mm-hmm.
You can see. So the market,
Correct.
so a new trend started from here. So we had another impulse like
Yes. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Now looks the trend is changing. Okay.
yeah. So this was the last higher low.
Yeah.
Okay. What happened here? We had this was the lower low. So,
Mhm.
in this case, there's something we usually do if trend change immediately like this. We usually say that it was this higher low that transferred.
Mhm. We'll move to this place.
So it's good that we're having this as example.
Yeah.
So we do something like this.
I see. Because that is the lowest point. We will consider that's the lowest point because the same trend is continuing. That's why.
So that's the lowest point. So that's still the higher low. So
Mhm.
until price now break here, that's where we see our change of character.
Okay.
So, and that was what happened. So we had, this was correction that
Yeah.
so it was no longer correction because it came and broke the higher low.
Yeah. Correct. So it is no longer a this one correction. Okay. So here actually this kind of places only I have the confusion.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay. So and this was the highest point. That's the higher.
Okay.
This was inducement.
Yeah. So in this scenario, there is no more higher low because the trend is changing now. Looks
So the impulsive move came from up here and ended here
Mhm.
because correction here now.
Yeah.
Inducement here. So price did a correction
Yeah.
down here. Okay.
So we can say that is a BOS.
Yes. This is
Yeah.
break of
This is a break of structure.
so this is lower low now.
Okay.
This is also lower low.
Yeah, that's a lower low.
So I actually follow the number, but if you follow the number, there will be no confusion.
Yeah. No confusion, correct.
So, okay, see what happened there. The lower high was broken to the upside. So there was yeah. But before break of structure could confirm, the trend continued down.
Yes.
So meaning that this lower high was bad there.
Yes.
So this kind of thing is happening. We are seeing this here now because we are on a very low time frame, which is 1 minute time frame.
Okay.
So which is good that we are using 1 minute, because if it were higher time frame, we might not really see this much.
Okay. When we go to higher time frames, I think we will not get this many valid pullbacks and these many inducement corrections. Correct, no? Like 30 minutes, 1 hour, and all. Because this is 1 minute, that's why we are getting so many, right?
Like we might not see this kind of trend change, all of a sudden trend change. So you see that TOC was formed there. I see the trend was going to change, but
Okay.
went down. And this type,
Okay.
we had the trend change was confirmed there. All of a sudden, the trend continued. So this kind of thing doesn't happen frequently on higher time frame.
Yeah, correct. But for practicing, I think the lower time frame is good, I believe, because we will get so many structures. Correct, no? Like 5 minutes, 1 minute, and all, we can get a lot of structures. So I think for practicing, the smaller time frame is better. What do you think?
Yes, that's why I'm using it. I recommend it
Yeah.
because you will see that the market does over and over.
Okay.
So the same
Yeah.
thing, that's what the market is doing on the highest time frames.
All right.
Frequency is higher with the lower time frame.
Okay.
We'll be seeing trend change quickly. We'll be seeing COC, we'll be seeing break of structure, we'll be seeing ranging and uptrend. Everything will be happening within few hours on the 1 minute time.
Okay. Okay.
Maybe
That's great.
if we are looking at daily time frame now, it might take us months before we'll see uptrend, downtrend,
Mhm.
change of character, this kind of change of character plus BOS that quickly. So it was uptrend before, then it changed to downtrend, and immediately it changed back to uptrend.
Okay.
It was daily time frame. All of this move can take us even a year before we see something like this. So
Yeah.
we're using the 1 minute.
Fine. That's clear.
So I think we are here. So you can see what happened there. The lower high was broken as if we have a trend change, but the impulsive move ended here. before
Yes.
it again. So the break of structure was not confirmed.
Correct. Exactly.
So the trend, the down continued. So meaning that the lower high
Mm-hmm.
got shifted here.
Hmm.
So the lower.
Yeah.
So we now have another impulsive move to the downside. Okay.
Correct.
So you see the break of structure will be down here.
Okay.
Impulse. Then inducement here.
Yeah.
Then all of this move is correction because it did not break this lower high.
Yeah.
So this correction. Then another break.
Yeah. The correction. That is the last point. Yes.
Yeah. Another break of structure. So this correction confirmed the lower low.
Yeah.
And this is lower high.
Exactly.
Then we have another correction here. Okay, I didn't draw the impulse. So this an impulse. This is an impulsive move.
Is that an impulsive move? Ah, that's sorry. That I thought inducement you're talking about. Okay. Okay. That's impulsive move. Yeah.
Okay. If you look at this, we have some internal
Yeah.
inducement,
Correct.
but the inducement
There
amount
is.
of structure.
Yeah. Yeah.
These are inducements here.
That's an inducement. Absolutely. Yes.
So this is correction.
Correct.
So you can see the market is not doing anything new. It's just repeating that.
Just repeating the same thing. Exactly.
So once we're able to look at the market and know if it is making impulsive move or correction or
Yeah.
continuation, to help us to know where to enter the market.
Correct.
So that's right. Okay, I think we
Yeah.
continue. I think it continues. like that, like that.
Yeah.
So if you practice, you'll be able to identify the number 1 to 8, right?
Yeah. I'll follow the same rule actually, the same steps I will follow. And I will do it in low time frame, multiple charts.
Great.
I think this is the foundation. No? So I think we have to master on this.
Everything they are talking about, anything you say on the internet about market analysis, this is it.
Okay. Okay.
It is
Excellent.
how to enter a trade. So, but if we are talking about what is the market doing, this is the
Mhm.
scam
Yeah, this is what is happening. True.
on every time frame.
Yeah, correct. In every time frame, this is what is happening. Absolutely.
So it removes that fear of not knowing what the market is doing. Like
Hmm.
probably you just be seeing price moving up and down and might not really know what is happening. So,
Yeah,
but see exactly what the market is doing.
correct.
So that is where we want to get to. So now, if you're able to practice this and be able to identify it properly on the chart,
Perfect.
it will now
Sure,
be
sure, sure.
it should now be easier to trade.
Yeah, when we see the basic thing is we should know the we call it the trick, no? We should know the trick. Like what is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, the trick, the steps or the checklist or what we call. If you know that idea, then it is of course the mistakes can happen, but it's I mean we can make it fine tune easily.
So yeah, just to give you like a kind of, because that's where we're going, but you've been mentioning entry, and I understand that feeling because I
Yeah.
know the struggles in the market.
No, no, we see, Mr. Kevin, no problem. See, for me, I don't. Of course, you know that I've been taking trade. You know that you know very well that. But I want to take the correct trade. Basically, this is what that is the purpose I'm coming for a study actually because you can follow your steps. You know, sometimes I will ask like this entry and all, but you can follow your steps, no problem. Uh, I'm taking trade, making lows, sometimes profit is all happening, but I want to make the correct trade, basically the correct entry. My PNL should be green.
Get it
Yeah,
of where our will be. It is usually on this number 5,
yeah. Okay.
the area we are looking to enter. After we've seen
Okay.
the impulsive move
Yeah.
and we've sent, that's number 2.
Mm-hmm.
And we've seen correction.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
To see this pump, we know that okay, this is our higher and the trend.
Correct. Yeah.
So when this continues 5, when it wants
Mm-hmm.
to start, that is the area we usually look to enter the trade.
Okay.
So, but there are certain things we have to see before we.
Mm-hmm. Right. Right.
Or on a nutshell, this is where the money is made. This move.
Okay. Right. Right. Right.
So we're going to talk about how we do it.
Yeah. Sure. 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 Definitely. Because we have still time. No problem.
So your learning is fast, so which is great.
Yeah.
All right. So at least now you have a very good idea what is
Yeah.
doing.
Are you providing any kind of any certificates or something for the course certificate or something? Are you providing in the label of any maybe like encrypt or label or something? Are you giving any certificate?
I believe in more than certificates. Like by the time you start making a lot of money with your skill, that's the certificate.
Okay. Money talks. Yeah. Excellent.
So I don't know if there's question.
No, now there is no question actually, because this is very, very good actually, because this is a good guide for me today. We had a lot of, outlines. So let me go through and I will do more on small time frames. I will, of course, obviously, I will have questions. We will see. If I have questions right now, if I have questions, I can go back to the chart and see, because that much we went through.
Okay. All right. So
Yeah.
in the next session, that's where we'll talk about the change of character with
Mm-hmm.
point of interest.
Okay, okay. Sure, sure, sure. Definitely. Definitely.
So after that one, then we can now look at the entry criteria. The things we look
Yeah,
for.
sure. Sure, sure.
All right.
Definitely. So let's say, have we completed maybe 20% of the course or 10%, something like that?
You've completed more than 50% because
Oh, great. Okay,
fast, and so it's more than 50.
okay.
Some
Great,
people
great.
take months to understand these things,
Okay, happy to hear that.
months before they understand all of this. So probably it's because you've also been learning before now. So,
Okay, great, Mr. Kevin. Yeah, nice to hear that.
so it's great.
Yeah.
All right. So I can send the video if you want. Oops.
No,
Then
no, 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 no need. Maybe, or you do want it, because the first part I think I just missed out. The first part. So maybe you can just send it. If it is not a heavy video, you can just send it there.
no problem. So do enjoy
Yeah.
your day.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Mr. Kevin. You too.